What's up guys, Walter here with Federal Brace, and at Federal Brace, innovation is at the heart of everything we do. And that led us to develop two brand new products for you guys, Porcelain floating shelves and Porcelain floating mantels. Let's get started. I'm standing here at our KBIS booth. But we're not in Las Vegas just yet. We're still here in our media room, but I wanted to take a minute to show you guys the brand new products on display. You'll see a couple new things at the show, but these are really, really cool. Come take a closer look. Federal Brace is known for having the largest collection of floating shelves and brackets for shelves in the industry, and adding porcelain to it is huge for us. We love the marble look for a more affordable price, but you still get the durability. These are UV resistant, heat resistant, cold resistant that can be used for indoor or outdoor. The porcelain floating shelf and porcelain floating mantle come equipped with Federal Brace brackets, allowing you to get 150 to 200 pounds of carry capacity on every installation. Dive into a new world of design possibilities by adding the porcelain floating shelves and floating mantles to your next design project. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you at the show. We'll see you next time.